Tama na itong linggo-linggong pa-awarding ceremony ng administrasyon. Walang pinupuntahan ang pagtatakipan nila live on national television habang nadadagdagan ang mga nagugutom, nagkakasakit at namamatay dahil sa palpak nilang pagtugon sa COVID-19. Hindi pagkilala ang kailangan ng mga Pilipino, kundi pananagutan. Appointed ang isang health secretary. Hindi siya pinili ng taong bayan, pero apektado ang buhay natin sa kanyang kawalang kakayahan. It was on Secretary Duque's advice that government was late in implementing travel bans from China and the UK. It is under his watch that the country has procured overpriced PPEs and test kits and delayed hazard pay for healthcare workers. These are just some of the avoidable and yet deadly faults of the DOH under Sec Duque's leadership. Kaysa mag-celebrate na naman ang administrasyon sa kabila ng kanilang pagpapabaya, suportahan dapat nila ang special audit ng Bayanihan 1 and 2. Let the Health Secretary be accountable if there has been any wastage of the already limited resources of the country. Let's celebrate the real heroes, the healthcare workers and the breadwinners who brave the threat of the pandemic and risk their lives in the service of their families and communities. If they really want to be like the heroes of the pandemic, then step up.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.